Debbie Fogg, the principal at Queen of the Apostles School, and Dan the Juggler was amazing. You have to get him to come to your event.
Thank you. Yeah, should I come back sometime? Yeah, all right. Hey everybody, I'm Dan Kirk, the Juggler with the yellow shoes. The students are just arriving for this school assembly. I would love to do a school assembly at your school. 50 students, 500 students. I've done it. I've done over 1,000 students in one group. I'd rather have you divide into a couple groups though if you've got that many, but I can be there. Check out my themes on my website, dankirk.com. Click on the schools area. I've got a lot of different programs available. I would love to come and speak and entertain at your school. I'm a speaker and an entertainer with themes from Stop Bullying to Truth About Drugs to reading, or maybe even a science program that involves juggling. I can do it, and I've done it, and I'd love to be there. Sure. What'd you think of the program today?
It was awesome. It was awesome.
Who are you?
I'm Peter Smith, the principal of St. Francis Xavier School.
All right, and where are we today? What city?
We are in Dyersville, Iowa.
Woo.
Field of Dreams.
Field of Dreams.
Yeah.
We're still dreaming.
We're still. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, you're louder. Did the people in the back like this show? Can I do the DNA with a yo-yo? I have done the DNA with a yo-yo. I don't know if I can do it right now. Should I try it? All right. I mainly perform in Wisconsin, Illinois, Iowa, and Minnesota, but I've been in 15 states. So if you get a group of schools together that can share travel expenses, then I can show up. Be happy to do so, but I do run and do individual shows pretty much in Wisconsin and Illinois, the Chicago area. I run there a lot. So I'd be happy to come there and just do an individual program for you. Or if you've got a big budget, yeah, that's funny, isn't it? That's an oxymoron for a school. Big budget, I can come too, but just text me or better yet, email me and I can give you pricing information based on your location. Thanks much. Love to be at your school. Bye.